Good day, my wonderful friends. It's me again, the great. One more great countryman. Remember to like, share, and subscribe, and click on another video. Now, the conspiracy theory keeps on getting worse and worse with this rapper from South Africa, otherwise known AKA. So, here's a conspiracy theory that's going around. I'm gonna play it, and I want you guys to listen to what people are saying on social media to what happened to this guy. They're saying the South African police is involved in his killing. Let's go.
Social media, stories on top of stories. There is a new information which also came to light alleging that SAPS members were involved in the killing of AKA. Let's follow up on that. Allegedly, there was a plan orchestrated by the people of interest who wanted to eliminate AKA, and they worked with SAPS big bosses. Not only that, but these people who are sharing these theories are continuing to implicate Don Design even more. He was allegedly blackmailed into this plan, and eventually he had to give in. Allegedly, this was the plan according to the social media account. Don Design was blackmailed and threatened into killing AKA. He will never have sent a hit on AKA, but he had no choice. Because of blackmails and threats he has been receiving for months, he ended up giving in. A hit gone wrong. Devele was shot by mistake. First hit, woman from SAPS fired shot according to the plan. The plan AKA was supposed to be shot multiple times, maybe 6 times while entering the vehicle. That was the agreement plan with the hitman. Police involved were supposed to report about pointless robbery, 6 bullets drive-by shooting, robbery that went wrong, although it was planned as a cover-up for South Africans to just let it go. Don stepped out of the restaurant to send signal to the hitman that AKA was about to leave the restaurant. As soon as AKA steps out of the restaurant, second hitman hides behind the pillar. The guy in black clothes opened the car as part of the plan. The guy who opened the vehicle blocks the view angle with his body where the second hitman can be seen. AKA was supposed to enter the vehicle, but he takes time exchanging hugs with his friend. The driver was still not in the vehicle. AKA can enter the car because the driver was not in the vehicle as yet. Celebrities are told to never enter cars without their drivers inside. All promoters know about this. The driver for that day was with AKA in the saloon, and his name is Msizi. He was allegedly part of the plan. The plan went wrong when the first hitman, who was across the road, saw a quick opportunity to take the hit. He was supposed to wait for AKA to enter the car without the driver inside and shot AKA more than 6 times as an ambush. The first policeman who gave a story about 6 bullets drive-by shooting was part of the hit as well. The story was already rehearsed, hence he gave wrong misleading information. He assumed everything went according to the plan, hence he lied. They went on to say, but things didn't go according to the plan and AKA's friend was shot. Right now, everyone is blaming the first hitman for ruining the whole plan, as AKA was supposed to be ambushed while entering the vehicle. Don was also supposed to be killed so that no one can find out who ordered the hit. This is what was shared on social media regarding AKA and Don. In the next slide, please listen to Nota also corroborating the story. And that's all we have for now. Please remember to also leave your comments down below and let us know of your take regarding what